Welcome to 3616 Colonial Drive here in Modesto. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and over 1,400 square feet of living space. My name is Darren De Silva with Realty One Group Zoom, and it's my pleasure to introduce you to my newest listing. Come on in and take a look. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the property, guys. And remember, if you have any questions about this property or any others in the Bay Area or Central Valley, please feel free to reach out to me for any of your real estate needs. My name is Darren De Silva, and I'm never too busy for your referrals. Thanks for watching.